kids! You are on the channel Easy Drawing. It's our first lesson in English, and today we will learn how to draw a panda. Panda is loved by everyone in the world, and it's very easy to draw it. Let's start. We are going to start from the head. Head of the panda is just a circle. Let's draw it. Yeah. It's very easy. You see? And then we are going to draw ears. Tiny ears of the panda. They are going to be black ones. Some hair. Okay. And then we are going to draw eyes. At first, these two black ones, and then eyes. You see, it's very easy. Then we draw nose in the triangle and mouth. Okay. Then we are going to draw arms. Okay. Tummy. One big tummy. And legs. And feet. As you know, panda loves eating bamboo. So let's draw a branch of bamboo. It's very easy to draw, and some leaves. Okay, now it's done, and let's color it. Panda is black and white, so white it will be our paper, and we choose a black one marker. Coloring ears. Take your time, don't be hurry. You can press stop, and then when you finish coloring, just continue watching the movie. Be careful when you're coloring. You know what? I want to draw two tiny cheek blushing here two rounds like that. Oh, so cute. You see? Okay. Choose a light green one for bamboo. You know where the panda come from? From China. Okay, then body. Working with body, we need to color arms and chest and the legs of panda with black color. You know what? I will be happy to see your artwork, to see your paintings. Please send me to my email or to my Instagram. And I will post it on my stories and tag you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not miss the next lessons. Also, if you want to learn how to draw something special for you, for example, you can leave a message for me below the video. Just one leg left. And it's done. I hope you like the lesson. Please leave a likes for me, support my channel and me. It's very important. Ta-da! And it's done! Our panda. And thank you for watching.